I wrote this myself so your mind would be blown. If what I felt for you was kept on a boat, there's not enough water to keep it afloat. If every word I wrote made you wanna smile, I'd write a list of words as long as the Nile, and never stayed so far that I had to shout. I'd follow you round and won't shut my mouth. If you were safe when I held you, I'd be satisfied with my arms stitched in a coat and you wrapped inside. You'd wear me out in the rain and the snow, but you can't hang me up, 'cause I won't let you go. No, I won't let you go. If you're only happy if I went away, I'd dig a hole in that moon and inside I'd stay. But I'd take a pencil and some paper too, and think of the perfect words to write to you. I'd take all the lines from your favorite songs and write in your favorite and you'd sing along. Then I'd pencil in your favorite cartoon and you stand before millions and sing you this tune while I'm stuck on the moon. If you were safe when I held you, I'd be satisfied with my arms stitched in a coat and you wrapped inside. You wear me out in the rain and the snow, but you can't hang me up, 'cause I won't let you go. No, I won't let you go.